Hey everybody, it's Aiden here from Everyday Tech. So we know that the Samsung Galaxy Fold has been delayed, but what does this mean for the Huawei Mate X? Let's find out. So the Huawei have been contacted just to see how they're getting on with their foldable phone, and they've released a note saying that they have no issues with their phone and they still plan on releasing it in June. Well, Samsung never had any issues with their phone either until it was given to reviewers, and then obviously we know about the issues with the hinges and the screen. So hopefully Huawei are taking a few second thoughts and going, we probably need a few more reviews, in-house before we release the phone to the public. But even though these are both new phones and new genres of phones, they're still very, very different to each other. Both are foldable phones. The primary difference is the Huawei phone, the screen wraps around the outside, which again does beg the question, how does it protect the screen? It's is it going to crease? When it's in your pocket, are you going to scratch it with your keys? All things like this. Because if it folds on the outside, how do you create a protective case for it or anything like that, come to think of it. So these are all just things to consider. But as it is at the moment, the Huawei Mate X could be the first foldable phone available on the market to the average consumer. My recommendation is to probably wait for at least a few months, just to wait and see what other people's experiences are. I mean, the Samsung Galaxy Fold, with its issues after just a day or two, it's not a good start. But these are still leaps forward in respect to technology, and these are great steps. These are absolutely fantastic, and this technology is coming on, well, in leaps and bounds really. So yeah, let other people do the hard work, you be patient, and hopefully when it's ready for the mass market and it's a bit more affordable, then pick one up. So guys, if you've enjoyed this little update, then please press the like button, and if you've really enjoyed it, I would very much be appreciative if you could subscribe to my channel. And guys, I shall see you soon. Bye.